You guys, what's up? It's Ken back at you again. This time I bring you a quick video on how to get the Gus G kind of setting on a Yamaha THR10X. I know that's kind of bad because he's endorsed by Blackstar and everything, but you can come pretty close to this on a Yamaha. I'm in total loyalty to Blackstar amps, they're fantastic, but I'm just going to show you how to get this kind of tone on the amp that I've got. Without further ado, let's go. So then, let's have a little look at the settings that we've got here. If you've just plugged your Yamaha THR10X straight out the box, or if you already have one, these are the settings to dial in. I have been using the Brown 2 model, like I did on the previous video, but only this time we're going to use different settings altogether. Where you put the gain, because obviously Gus G uses a pretty high gain sound, I'd start off with a gain sort of around 2 o'clock-ish. Then with the master, I've already explained this to you before, I keep the master all the way up because I've got a wider range of volume on the guitar knob here. Then in terms of bass, I put that to around 3 o'clock. In terms of mids, scoop them back to probably around 10 o'clock-ish, not all the way, but scooping back to around 10 o'clock-ish. Treble, turn that up to around 2 o'clock-ish, thereabouts. No effects used at all. And in terms of reverb, maybe the tiniest bit of hall or spring reverb. Otherwise, you're good to go. Okay then, let me just quickly take you through the setting I just dialed in. I'll just give you a couple of risks, but one thing I must mention is that if you're planning on using this amp for the more of the Gus G solo kind of sound, I recommend you dial in a hint of delay and reverb at the same time, with a which is quite slow. You can use the settings by watching a few of the videos he's done. But anyway, without further ado, here is a couple of riffs. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy the tone from this amp. I understand totally that... I'm gonna kill those dogs, I'll be right back. Right, anyway. I got the dog in here now. But anyway, I totally understand that Gus G is endorsed by Blackstar amps. I've played a bunch of Blackstar amps, they are fantastic, and I am considering upgrading to one as possibly one of my choices of amps. But anyway, I'm only showing you the tone I can get from the amp that I have. Keep exploring your THR10X, that is an absolutely fantastic amp for what it is. Please keep liking, subscribing. I'll see you later, and you'll be quiet next time, won't you?